So, hello. This is a tutorial on G2 Victory. So, you're going to need a 2 G2 barrel, the lower part, uh, 2 big stick grips, yes, and 2 nails. I've put in a electric tape. So, let's go. You need 2 G2 bodies. Yes. I have put an insert, then get the G2 body, cut 2 centimeters of it. Yes. Then screw it on your G2. So you should like this. There's the G2, the big stick body. Yes. So you set aside. So you need next is the big stick upper part. Yes, like that. Remove the ink tube. Then get the nails. I've put an electric tape so that it will fit in the big big yes, the big upper part. So you put it there. So that's the nail. Set it aside. Then I forgot to say you need any grips, a small and a Befa ball pen. Get the grips and cut 2 to 4 sections of it, and get the cap of the big stick and put the grips like this. Yes, you should made 2 of them. Yeah. So you assemble it. Yes. Yes. Attach the caps. Oh, I forgot. You should the insert and the big part, the one in this part, you know what I mean, should be behind the insert. Yes. So attach the caps. So there's your mod. Please enjoy it and thank you for watching.